This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make funnel cake fries with pancake mix. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of your favorite pancake mix, 1 cup of milk, and 1 large egg. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar to sweeten things up. And for frying, make sure you have about 4 cups of vegetable oil. These are the essential items for delicious, homemade funnel cake fries. Now let's get that batter ready. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1 1/2 cups of pancake mix, 1 cup of milk, the large egg, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Whisk everything together thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. This smooth batter is key to perfect funnel cake fries. Once mixed, carefully pour your batter into a squeeze bottle or a piping bag for easy dispensing. It's time to fry. Heat your 4 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, carefully squeeze thin, fry-like lines of batter directly into the oil. Be careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Use tongs to remove the crispy fries and place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Your delicious funnel cake fries are almost ready. While they are still warm, generously dust them with powdered sugar. This adds that classic, sweet finish. For an extra treat, consider serving them with your favorite dipping sauces, like chocolate syrup, caramel, or even a fruit compote. These homemade funnel cake fries, made easily with pancake mix, are a delightful and fun dessert or snack for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.